Okay guys, this is a really cool video because I have my friend here. And I want you all to say hi in the comments to Andrew. Andrew, how you doing?
Good.
Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Yeah.
Because Andrew and I, we know each other, but we don't really know each other. So I need to get to know him. And I think you guys should too. How old are you?
9.
9. And what grade are you in?
3rd.
3rd grade. All right. And basically, I'm going to just do some directing on this video, but you're going to be doing the baking. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
You're good with that? All right.
Yeah.
So how long have you watched the show?
About a year.
About a year? Okay. So I found out that he wanted to come on the show. I said, do me a favor. Send me a recipe that this story's great. Send me a recipe that you want to do. He sent me this. That's the picture he sent me. And I'm like, oh, I don't know about that. Because you guys know, I don't do a lot of desserts. I'm not really good with baking. I totally crush it with flour. I'm a mess everywhere. So I'm glad he's here. He's going to be helping us. But really quick, I just want to bring his mom on right now. Just for 1 second to make YouTube happy. I just need to record this in the video. Come on in. So this is Andrew's mom, and do I have permission to show him in this video?
Yes.
And to bake wonderful things with him?
Yes.
Awesome, that's it.
Thank you.
All right. See? So YouTube, when you're scrubbing my video and you're checking everything to make sure it's legit, I have video permission. I don't have written, I have full-on video. I don't know how anybody else does it because I don't have a lot of kids on the show. So this has been something I've been looking forward to. Andrew has been excited, but I think I've been more excited. Kind of crazy. So I'm going to get out of the way. I'm going to bring you in close, and you're going to see, you know the recipe, right? We got the recipe. So you're going to tell them all the ingredients? Mm-hmm. All right. Well, let me get out of the way here. We're going to turn it over to Andrew, and it's a pleasure to have him on the Cooking with Jack show.
We've got eggs, baking powder, vanilla extract, Hershey's cocoa, unsweetened, salt, unsalted butter, flour, sugar, evaporated milk, light corn syrup, cooking spray, and milk.
All right, guys, so we got everything measured out in the recipe. The recipe's down below. You won't miss it, but this is our flour right here, all right? So we're going to add to our flour the other dry ingredients so we can mix them together. And obviously, to make the flour more like a self-rising flour so you can bake a cake and it rises, we need to add the baking soda and the salt. So Andrew, do me a favor. Put the baking powder in first, right there. All right, and then I'm going to stir it around. Get it all mixed in. And I might as well just throw in the salt too. So go ahead and throw the salt in there. Okay? We'll get that all mixed up. This is what allows it to rise. I don't know why we didn't use self-rising flour, but hey, it's an old Southern recipe. You got to follow it. All right, guys, we're going to put together our evaporated milk in this stock pot. And then we're going to put in our sugar. Then we're going to put in our salt. And then our cocoa powder. And you're probably asking me why. There's a reason you're doing the icing first. Okay? So all our cocoa powder's in. And then our corn syrup. That's going in there. Man, that stuff just... I should have sprayed that. I don't know why I didn't. And then our... Is that vanilla? Yeah, that's vanilla. All right, good. Vanilla's the last thing. And we're going to let this come. And I don't know what they mean by softball, but I'm just going to get this till it's all melted and glazy like icing, okay? This is our icing right here. And the instructions say to make the icing first. This is an old Southern recipe. Maybe they didn't know how to make cake. I don't know. Maybe they did. I'll know at the end why they did it. But there's a reason we have to have the icing done first. Like we're pouring it. We need to get ready to pour small batches of this onto each layer. Okay? So we are good. Okay, guys. We're going to put the butter in first. So let's get that in there for you. Now we're going to put the sugar in. Okay, got the butter and the sugar going right now. That's the first thing we gotta do. Okay, you can see it's all creamed together now. Okay, I'm gonna stir it, put it back on stir. And we're gonna put in, let me put it a little bit faster. Go ahead and put in 2 eggs. Hey, you're doing a great job. That's the best egg dropping I've ever seen. Okay, give it a second. Not yet, not yet. Wait till it's all mixed up. Okay, go ahead and put in the next 2. Okay guys, we're gonna do the last step. Go ahead and drop the vanilla in. Be careful with your fingers. There you go. Now we're gonna add our flour mixture in, alternating with our milk. So we're gonna go slow. Add a little bit in. Whoop, there we go. All over the place. Good job, Jack. Andrew's cracking up. So we put a little flour in, then we mixed it, and then we put a little milk in. We're gonna alternate. We're gonna have to turn the machine off every time we alternate, okay? Let's go back up. All right, guys, back to the icing. We're running all over the kitchen right now. We gotta put our butter in the icing. That is so awesome. Do we normally put butter in icing? Be careful, that's gonna splatter on you. Oh, that was slick. That came out nice. So those 2 sticks of butter in there, we're gonna let those get involved. And then this is gonna be going on all the layers of our cake. We're gonna be doing, correct me if I'm wrong, we're doing 12 layers, right?
Try.
Yeah. We're gonna try and do 12 layers. So we're gonna divvy up about half a cup per tin that we're baking. So they're taking a look to make sure we got everything going, half a cup. And putting it in the tin, and then we're gonna let that, spread that out, or scrape it out. And that's what you're gonna do for the whole batter for each layer. You're gonna put about half a cup. Depending on how big you wanna make your cake, we're doing 12 layers. So the recipe asks for 18, but we're doing 12 in this video, okay? Okay guys, we have 12 layers like this. They're very thin little layers. We're gonna put them on our plate and we're gonna start doing the frosting right now. This is how you pop them out. Look how thin they are, they're beautiful. You get to pile the last bit of the frosting on top and let it drip down the sides. All right, got my buddy Andrew helping me here in the studio. We're filming, it's a southern version of a wonderful dessert. It's a southern dessert, basically what it is. Okay guys, this looks amazing. Look at this. Can you see that shot? Look at how many layers. That is incredible. Now once again, I didn't say it at the beginning, but this is very bad for you. This isn't keto, this isn't Weight Watchers, this isn't anything. This is just pure goodness. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's been waiting, jumping all over the place. All right, give it a try. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, for him. You like it? Oh, you're getting the top, all the good stuff. Look at that. All right, guys. Try this recipe. It's down below. I want to thank my buddy Andrew for helping make this beautiful masterpiece. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.